Hello everybody and welcome back to How to Make a Minecraft Mod. My name is Creplav. Okay, so we're going to be doing part 4 today, and we're going to be creating an item. Alright, so in our source slash main slash Java, we're going to create a new package. And we're going to call it com.crep.item. Finish. And we're going to create a new class. And we're going to call this class mItems. This is where we're going to hold all of our items. Alright, and we're going to hit finish. Okay. So, in here, we're going to type public. We're going to create a new method. Public static void initialize item. Oh, wait, no. Open it up. Okay. And then we're going to create... Oh, well, I did that wrong. Okay. Public static void main registry. Alright. Now I did it right. Supposed to do that first. Registry. I think that's how you spell it. I'm so bad at spelling initialize and registry. And those are the two things that we spell the most here. Register. Oh, wait. Hang on. Public static void register item. I think that's right. Okay. So we're going to take this here. Alright, this entire thing, including the parentheses. I'm going to copy and paste that into our main registry. And then we're going to do the same for this one. Copy and paste that, and semicolons at the end. Alright, that's calling this method, and then it's calling these two methods. Okay, because these two methods are kind of like parented into this one. Or, oh, they're being called by this one, if that makes sense. Okay. So, what are we going to do next? So we're going to go back into our main registry, and before, in our preload, before the proxy, we're going to type mItems dot main registry. There we go. Okay. So that makes things a lot simpler. That's calling the preload to call the main registry one, which is then calling these two. Okay. Alright, so we can go back into our mItems class, and in initialize item, we are gonna type, I think, nope, not in initialize item yet. We have to create the item first. Okay, so we're gonna type public, and then static item be emerald. We're gonna create a black emerald, I think, and we have to import item. So this one, net.minecraft.item. Yep, there we go. I did item wrong. Okay. I'm supposed to capitalize it. That's okay. So then, once we do that, we're going to initialize item. We're going to say oh my goodness, I completely lost what I was doing. Okay. Um, B emerald is equal to new B emerald. Okay. Nope. It's equal to new item. What am I doing? Okay. Um. Okay. So that looks good, right? Nope. We gotta add parameters. So let's hit dot set creative tab. Creative. Alright. Dot set creative tab, and then we're gonna set parameters for that as well. So well, you know what? Let's do this first. Dot set. Alright, get rid of this. That's in my way. Dot set on. Let's do the unlocalized name first. And I will be right back. Okay, oops, sorry about that, guys. I needed to check something real quick. Okay, so in unlocalized name, we're going to do parentheses. We're going to do B emerald. Emerald. Okay. Then, after that, after we've set the unlocalized name, I'm going to say dot set creative tab, this one. And we're going to say in there creative tabs dot tab misc for miscellaneous, because no, let's put it in materials. Let's put in materials. Okay. Okay. So once we have that, we can come into our register item, and we can say game registry dot what am I doing? Okay. Register item. Yes, this one. BMO. And we're gonna set this one to B emerald dot get unlocalized name. Okay. Please excuse me for this, but I, for some reason, am having brain farts today. Okay. So, right. So we have now created an item, but we still have some more to do. So let's go ahead and hit save all, and we have to name the item. So let's close out of here and go to our Minecraft mod. Go to source, go to main, go to Java, and create a new folder. Call this one assets. Assets. Okay. In here, we're gonna put a folder, and we're gonna go back in here, and where our ref strings are, where's our mod ID? So we're going to copy that. It has to be exactly like this, okay? So best thing to do is to copy it just in case, and then paste it in there. Okay, so once we do that, then we create a new folder again, and call this one line. Okay. Alright, so in our lang, we're going to create a new text document, and we're going to say en underscore us, both capitals, and you're going to go in here and just, then we're going to save it as dot all files, and we're going to save it as a dot line. Okay, I'm going to hit save. So then we can delete the text file because we don't need that anymore. Then back in Eclipse, you're going to have this. You're going to have an empty package with this in here. So we're going to open that up, and we're going to say item dot b emerald dot name equals, no spaces here, black emerald. Yep. Okay. And that is now it. We don't have to do anything else. Just make sure that there's no spaces here at all. Otherwise it won't work. You can have spaces here, but not here. Okay? Let's go back into our ref strings, make sure this is correct. Yep, okay. So, if you have a little m here, you want to change that to a big M, because otherwise it'll cause your game to crash, which would be bad. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and run Minecraft. I think it should be working. Oh, it launched. It launched. Oh yeah, it's working so far. Yay, okay. So we're gonna create a new world now, and we're gonna call this Modest. Okay. And we're gonna make sure that cheats are on, and we are in creative, and we're gonna hit create world. Okay. Yay, we did it. Created a new world. Okay. So, if we hit E, okay. We go into materials. Oh, crap. Okay, so here's our new item, but for some reason I didn't name it correctly. So let's go back in here, and let's figure out why. What did I do wrong? Item dot be emerald. Did I spell emerald right? Emerald dot name. Man, what did I do? Okay, let's retype that. Item dot be emerald dot name equals black emerald. We can hit save. reload that. What happened? I don't know. If that's wrong, I'm gonna be mad. That always happens to me. Like, something happens with the naming of the item, and it goes wrong, and it makes me extremely mad because it's named wrong. So let's try that again. Oh, did I name it mod test? Oops. Okay. It's okay. And it's still not named right. But we still made our item. Doesn't really matter that much. Nice little cave here. Okay, so... Oh! Holy crap, this looks exactly like the seed for when I did my, mini ore quest. Like, I'm not even kidding, this is, like, literally the exact seed. That is weird. Maybe it's not, but it's very, very close because I remember having a cave there, a bunch of grassy area. This looks... No, I'm serious, this is, like, dead exact. Holy crap. Okay. I wonder if it, like, takes the seeds that are already on your computer or something, I don't know. So, there you go. There's your item. I don't know why it's not named correctly. I don't know what I did. I'll check that out. And, I'll have that fixed by the next one, I hope. Alright, so that is how to make items in Minecraft, for your Minecraft mod. So, if you enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button, and subscribe for the next one, which should be coming out next week, because I'm busy this week, and I'm busy this weekend. So, yeah. The reason why it's like a pinkish brown is because we don't have a texture yet for it, and we'll do that later. So, anyways, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time.